Hello everyone, I am playing Red Dead Redemption on my Xbox, and I've tied someone up and put him on the railroad. And I'm just waiting for the train to come. Should be here soon. I say about 2 minutes, maybe. Anyways, I think you get an achievement for it. I don't know if it's supposed to be a guy or girl, but I'm gonna do it anyways. You get an achievement called Dastardly if you do it right. Here's my horsey. Alright, I might have to kill some coyotes if they come near me. Maybe another minute, it's pretty close to be coming from that away. It's gonna run right over his big body, or his little body. Come on, train, hurry up. It's getting closer, maybe another minute. My horse better not be stupid and go on the tracks. That right there is a stallion, and I don't want it to die. Alright, the train should be coming pretty soon. Yep, it's getting closer, maybe 30 seconds. Trying to be quiet and hear it. Ooh, it's closer. Here it is. It's coming. I heard its whistle. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ooh, ooh, here it go. He exploded. That was pretty cool. Nothing left. He vanished. Nothing. That was pretty cool. Alright. I think you have to do it with a girl to get the achievement. But I don't care. That was pretty cool. Like, share, comment, rate, subscribe. All that good stuff. Goodbye.